Remains still high as death toll by corona in India crosses 1,000 mark. Assam government issues new guidelines for lockdown 3.0. Free ration distributed to several families in Dongmukak. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Julie Hansepi bringing you news for today. The impact of the global pandemic continues to remain critical as cases reported are still on the rise every day. Till date, thousands have lost their lives to the disease and lakhs are facing severe food shortage. With view to boost the economy and also to felicitate the return of stranded people, several relaxation has been considered. But India is still not likely to get major respite as COVID-19 cases are still on the rise. Out of the 39,980 reported cases, 10,819 persons have recovered with a recovery rate of 89%, while 1,323 persons have lost their lives to the virus. On Saturday, India showed its biggest rise of cases in single day with as many as 2,442 new cases reported from across the states. And there is a growing fear among people that cases may rise once people begin moving across the country. Meanwhile, the global death count have reached 2,45,082, out of which USA alone has reported the death of 67,448 persons. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. With many relaxation for the smooth functioning of works, Assam Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma had this evening announced that the state government's latest guidelines for the third phase of the lockdown in the state. Here is a report. There will be complete curfew between 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. All stand-alone shops shall open in both rural and urban areas till 5 p.m. Market complexes and shopping malls shall remain closed. Auto and cycle rickshaws and four-wheelers will run with one driver and two passengers. All types of construction works will start with only 50% of normal workforce. All inter- and intra-district bus services will begin with 50% passengers under the controlling authority of ASTC. Tea stalls, restaurants, ice cream parlors will open, but only in takeaway mode. On the other hand, salons and parlors will remain closed and are only allowed to operate in home service. Meanwhile, gyms, cinemas, multiplexes, public gatherings, religious functions, sports, marriages, and cultural will continue to remain closed. The Assam Health Minister also urged upon the people to wear masks and maintain social distance while stepping out of their home. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. Individuals and groups of the district also continued extending their help towards families who are heavily affected by the ongoing lockdown, which has been extended again till May 17. Here is a report of relief work carried out today. At around 8 in the morning, Pastor Ken Singrongpar of Believers Eastern Church Paklong Community distributed food items to the more than 40 families of Mentaro village. He was assisted by his wife Alicia Rongpipi during the distribution.
ในทางอัครสเป็นมนุลียสอร์เป็นเจงลอกกับเพลกพันปีปัจจุบันบสิลานิตุเฮมซีเป็นอันโซจิงไว้สิปีนี้ละสิดักบิลวาสตันเจอร์ปากลงกำอาจารย์ลงนำเมนิตุกิรอนดำปีนี้เป็นกิเชงโล
Maintaining the lockdown guideline, the couple delivered of food items to the families at their doorstep. Meanwhile, Kamtokbi Farming Society also provided food items to the lockdown-affected families of Phongberik Kamtokbi village. Along with several members of the Farming Society, former Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chairman Bidya Singh Tokbi, village headman Ronghon Tokbi, Simpson Tokbi, and Harsing Terang also contributed money out of their savings to arrange the food items for distribution.
Labang dor karpik, ateke la inghuang uyolong pensi suat kisuge keciun. In lano inokan imek la pente ingho la cibang nai. Masila nang tum la subang ke nohok le dam tame la bang ke teniri.
The group also promised the villagers to continue its efforts to reach out to families facing food shortage and also encourage people to help themselves in all possible ways. Samsung Ingti reporting from Dongmukak, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that's all we have for today. Thank you for staying with us and keep watching Karbi Anglong Live.